Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Atas Juliana Mayang Azahra with list student number 177. In this video, I will give my argument about this debate, discuss the motion Indonesia government sold significantly tax uncapped residential properties. The government, opening government and closing government support this motion, while the opposition, opening opposition and closing opposition oppose it. This debate revolves around the tax impact on the housing crisis, different actual group, and government interest. Theme ranking for me: closing government, opening government, closing opposition, and opening opposition. Closing government emerged as the top team because they successfully identify and file gaps in opposition government argument, particularly regarding tax allocation and a more realistic mechanism to address the housing problem. They also provide clear characterization of actors and demonstrate how this policy aligns with Indonesia interests as a developing country. Although some POIs were not responded to as effectively, their extent contribution felt the most comprehensive. Opposition governments start with a strong foundation regarding the housing crisis issue and the motivation behind the tax. However, the detail of the mechanism and how the tax directly resolved the housing crisis were still somewhat general. Closing government later strengthened this point. Um, Closing opposition attempt to provide a more specific characterization of actors such migrant works and deeper market analysis, which was an extension of opening opposition. However, some of their argument about unnatural price increases felt less directly connected to the tax mechanism itself. Opening opposition, despite introducing important points about the morality and impact on the middle class, seems to focus on worst-case scenario without providing clear alternative or strong counter mechanisms to address the housing problem. Their argument, the difficult of selling property and valuations of land mafia, felt less substantial compared to stronger evidence or analysis. And the theme evaluation and feedback for me. Firstly, opening government. Measure positive, identify the core issue of housing crisis and explain why vacant properties execrable. They also begin to characterize wealthy actual hoarding properties and investment, and then explain in detail how the government could verify vacant properties, such as neighbor interview, CCTV, to ensure accurate policy implementation. And suggestion for improvement, the mechanism of how these tax will directly solve the housing crisis, beyond the idea of selling, was less explicit and need further development early on. And the rebuttal against potential negative impact on property owners who might not be entirely wealthy or who have legitimate reason for leaving property vacant, such as working out of town, was not strong enough. For the method, positive, clear speech structure with context, integral mechanization, and organized argument, and present relevant POI to clarify the position. Suggestion for improvement need to be more proactive in anticipating and addressing argument from the opposition, especially about who will truly to be most affected by this text. Second, opening opposition. The matter is raise important point about the morality of the tax and property right, and challenge opening government characterization of wealthy by introduction the concept of inheritance and the middle class who also own vacant properties. And highlight the main idea problem may not be with individual property owners, but rather with developers on previous government policies that did not restrict property purchases. And to improve the argument about the land mafia was underdeveloped, it need clear evidence or mechanisms and how these tax would legitimize them. Method attempt to recharacterization actor and redefine the government burden of proof and use the concrete example such as Taruntung and Kemang to support this argument. And suggestion for improve, you can at times their argument felt repetitive and less focused on the core issue. Number three, closing government. In the matter, successfully filled the gaps from opening government by explaining a clear allocation of tax revenue for housing development, example public housing and infrastructure. This was a crucial extension that made the government case stronger. In suggestion for improve, you can some response to POI could have been sharper and more direct to the core question. Method identify missing gaps from previous speaker and focus on filling them, demonstrating good strategy. In suggestion to improve, you can some transition between argument point could have been smoother. Number four, closing opposition. The matter is attempt to provide a more specific characterization of actors such as migrant workers or transit residents and analysis to the tax impact on them. You can try to provide a deeper market analysis highlighting how the tax could lead to unnatural price increases across the market generifications and suburbs. Suggestion for improve, you can aid the argument about the market will find equilibrium and price will increase exponentially, need more evidence or strong economic model to support this claim. The method is clear argument structure with three main points and the attempt to clarify the significant characterization of the text and try to provide a clear differentiation from opening opposition by focusing on market analysis. You can improve at the same time to repeat the core argument too much rather than developing nonsense.